business conditions. A government's finance department began implementing Six Sigma 5 years ago. This has resulted in a dramatic decrease in errors. However, the department remains unwieldy, slow, and costly to run. To eliminate waste and to speed up processes, the department realizes it needs to incorporate lean thinking into its system. Darren is a senior manager in the tax division of the finance department. Now, follow along as he considers how lean could be used to create the optimal system. The tax division is working accurately and running a tight ship. Our macro policies and logistical processes are sound. They generate good information and revenue has gone up, so our service is of good quality. But taxpayers complain that they have to fill in too many long and difficult forms, so compliance is costly and time-consuming for them. Lean can help us focus on meeting their expectations. Processing the forms wastes a lot of time on our side too. On the whole, our operating costs are much too high. So Lean could help us save time and money by cutting out the waste. Adopting Lean could be quick. We could use it to optimize our forms almost immediately, and then go on to find other problems that might be relatively quick to fix. Although relatively inexpensive, Lean requires a serious commitment because it is not just a tool. It is an ongoing philosophy that everyone has to adopt. Although Lean and Six Sigma originated as two different strategies, they are increasingly being viewed as complementary processes. By creating a Lean Six Sigma hybrid, Darren can combine the strengths of both methodologies and gain access to a larger range of tools for production management. You need to decide what tools to apply in different improvement initiatives. You can base these decisions on various criteria: the required timeframe and financial commitment, the nature of the primary problem, the organization's ability to adopt a culture of change, and the pervasiveness of the problem. Answering questions related to each factor can help you choose which elements of which methodology, Lean or Six Sigma, will apply to your organization. Timeframe and financial commitment. Do you need a quick, relatively inexpensive strategy for reducing cycle time? Or is it feasible and worthwhile to apply rigorous statistical analysis to uncover the roots of the problem? Lean provides fast results and is less expensive than Six Sigma, which requires longer time frames and complex data analysis. The nature of primary problem. What is the primary problem that you need to address? Is it waste and speed? Or is it defects and variation in processes? Lean reduces waste and increases speed. Six Sigma addresses defects and variation in processes. The ability to adopt a culture of change. Does your organization's corporate culture support change? Both Lean and Six Sigma are better implemented in an organization that supports change. However, the longer time frame available for implementing Six Sigma allows change to take place even if the organization's culture is not very supportive to change. On the other hand, due to a relatively short time frame, Lean may not be the best approach if your organization's culture means that people are likely to resist new ways of thinking and new ways of doing things. Pervasiveness of problem. How pervasive is the problem? Is it isolated and relatively simple to fix? Or does it permeate the entire process? Lean is successful for problems that are relatively simple to fix. Six Sigma is best for addressing more pervasive problems related to production. Now, you can access the job aid Comparing Lean and Six Sigma for a summary of the differences between Lean and Six Sigma. But before finishing this, let's see a question. Match each description of a business condition to the methodology that best addresses it. More than one condition may match a single methodology. Here we have the options. Given your financial picture, we need to achieve many small improvements without high cost. The new manufacturing processes are taking too long. We have to reduce the time they take, and this has to happen soon. After the drop in quality in last year's new models, our customer base is deserting us in droves. Well, we've got to get our base back. And we're accepting way too much variation to remain competitive for long. The problem seems to be throughout the organization. And here we have the targets, Lean and Six Sigma. And this is the answer. Lean can be implemented and yield results quickly and is less expensive than Six Sigma. It is ideal for addressing isolating problems and inefficiencies and can be implemented while people are still getting used to a new way of thinking. Six Sigma's focusing is on improving quality by reducing variation and eliminating product defects. It is useful for addressing pervasive problems that takes longer and is more expensive to implement than Lean.